Hello everyone. Welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on zinc. MCX zinc price is moving in sideways range between 235.50 on the upside and 220.25 level on the downside. Within the channel indicates short-term trend is bullish. At present, zinc price has broken its nearby resistance of 230 level and started forming higher high, higher low formation, signal further strength in the counter in upcoming trading sessions. However, base metal price has taken support at 224.30 level on the downside, that is 50% of previous rise, and break below will act as a trend reversal. Therefore, any break above 229 level will surge the price further up till 232 and 235 level in near term. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.